Editors and contributors. About the editors. Markus Maurer studied electrical engineering at Technische Universität München and obtained a doctorate at Bundeswehr-Universität München. He started his career in industry as a project manager and head of department in the development of driver assistance systems at Audi AG. He is a professor of electronic vehicle systems at Technische Universität in Braunschweig. J. Christian Gerds is a professor of mechanical engineering at Stanford University, director of the Center for Automotive Research at Stanford, Cars, and director of the REVS program at Stanford University, Stanford, USA. Barbara Lenz studied geography and German studies to postdoctoral level at Universität Stuttgart, where she was also research assistant and project manager in the area of economic geography at the Institute of Geography. She is head of the Institute of Transport Research at the German Aerospace Center, DLR, and a professor of transport geography at Humboldt-Universität, both in Berlin. Hermann Winner studied physics to doctoral level at Universität Münster before he started his career in industry in advanced engineering and later in series development at Robert Bosch GmbH, where he was responsible for driver assistance systems. He is a professor for automotive engineering at Technische Universität in Darmstadt. Contributors. Sven Beeker, formerly Center for Automotive Research at Stanford, Stanford University, Stanford, Palo Alto, California, USA. Rita Sagansky, Institute of Transport Research, German Aerospace Center, DLR, Berlin, Germany. Klaus Dietmeier, Institute of Measurement, Control and Microtechnology, Universität Ulm, Ulm, Germany. Berthold Farber, Bundeswehr-Universität München, Neubeiberg, Germany. Heike Flamig, Institute for Transport Planning and Logistics, Technische Universität Hamburg-Harburg, TUHH, Hamburg, Germany. Eva Friedrich, Geography Department, Humboldt-Universität zu Berlin, Berlin, Germany. Bernhard Friedrich, Institute of Transportation and Urban Engineering, Technische Universität Braunschweig, Braunschweig, Germany. Tom Michael Gasser, Federal Highway Research Institute, BAST, Bergisch Gladbach, Germany. J. Christian Gerds, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Center for Automotive Research at Stanford, Stanford University, Stanford, CA, USA. Armin Grunwald, Institute for Technology Assessment and Systems Analysis, ITAS. Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, KIT Egenstein-Lepoldschafen, Germany. Dirk Heinrichs, Institute of Transport Research, German Aerospace Center, DLR, Berlin, Germany. Fabian Kroger, Institut d'Histoire Moderne et Contemporaine, IHMC, Équipe d'Histoire des Techniques, CNRS, ENS Université Paris I Panthéon-Sorbonne, Paris, France. Barbara Lenz, Institute of Transport Research, German Aerospace Center, DLR, Berlin, Germany, Geography Department, Humboldt-Universität zu Berlin, Berlin, Germany. Patrick Lin, Philosophy Department, California Polytechnic State University, San Luis Obispo, CA, USA. Markus Maurer, Institute of Control Engineering, Technische Universität Braunschweig, Braunschweig, Germany. Marco Pavone, Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics, Stanford University, Stanford, CA, USA. Kai Rannenberg, Deutsche Telekom Chair of Mobile Business and Multilateral Security, Goethe Universität Frankfurt, Frankfurt am Main, Germany. Andreas Reschke, Institute of Control Engineering, Technische Universität Braunschweig, Braunschweig, Germany. Miranda A. Schreurs, Environmental Policy Research Center, FFU, Freie Universität Berlin, Berlin, Germany. Bryant Walker Smith, School of Law, University of South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina, USA. Sybil D. Steuer, Environmental Policy Research Center, FFU, Freie Universität Berlin, Berlin, Germany. Sarah M. Thornton, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Center for Automotive Research at Stanford, Stanford University, Stanford, CA, USA. Walther Wachenfeld, Institute of Automotive Engineering, FZD Technische Universität Darmstadt, Darmstadt, Germany. Peter Wagner, Institute of Transportation Systems, German Aerospace Center, DLR, Berlin, Germany. Thomas Winkel, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Ergonomics, Technische Universität München, TUM Garching, Germany. Hermann Winner, Institute of Automotive Engineering, FZD Technische Universität Darmstadt, Darmstadt, Germany. David M. Wojzeschlager, Institute of Automotive Management and Industrial Production, Technische Universität Braunschweig, Braunschweig, Germany. Ingo Wolf, Institut Futur, Freie Universität Berlin, Berlin, Germany. Stephen S. Wu, Business and Technology Law and Litigation, Los Altos, California, Germany.